For you right now at 5, this time from the Elm City, where a team from the Department of Public Health is looking right now into how thousands of COVID vaccine doses were improperly stored. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now. He's with the mobile newsroom right outside the city's health department with some new details. Matt.
Well, Mark, last week after finding out about this, the mayor asked the state to come in and review the city's storage and handling procedures when it comes to vaccines. And today, a team was here doing just that. Now, it was last week when the city discovered that 2,900 doses of the Pfizer COVID vaccine were left in a freezer for longer than what's recommended. Of that 2,900, we're told 650 of those doses were actually administered here at the city's health department clinic between December 23rd, and February 7th. The city called and mailed letters to those impacted, along with a recommendation from the state that they get another shot. Now, health experts say the vaccine won't hurt you. It's just a question of how well it will work. They say so far, checking with the state database, none of those impacted tested positive for COVID with a PCR test. Now, the state health department had a team in here today to go over the city's vaccine storage and handling procedures. We're told they found no major issues, and a final report will be issued likely next week. Also, the city says next week it will begin its own independent review to see if anyone will be held accountable and what's being described as a lack of communication between health department personnel, which led to that vaccine being left in the freezer for a lot longer than it should be.
While it's tempting to jump to conclusions and want to say that this person did this or that person did that, we want to be just very cautious that we do things properly. And so it is clear that there was a lapse in communication, which meant that the vaccines were not transferred properly in the right time. But at this moment, we don't want to get into a lot of details on employee issues before we make sure that that process takes place.
Now, as for that recommendation to get another shot, the city says so far just in this week, 19 folks have come here to the health department, but it doesn't know the complete number of folks who have been revaccinated because they say there are obviously a number of other places they can go to get that shot. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Matt, thank you very much. Also,